Hello friends, I am here today with a delicious fruit cake, so stay with me through the whole video and enjoy this tutorial. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Ingredients: quince, 2 numbers, flour, 2.5 glass, sugar, 1 glass, milk, half of a glass, oil, half of a glass, lemon juice, 1/4 of a glass, sugar, 2 tablespoons, baking powder, 2 teaspoons, egg, 3 numbers, cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon, vanilla, half of a teaspoon. First, I turn on the gas and turn down the gas flame. Then put a flame spreader on it and put a pot on it. Close the lid to create an oven-like atmosphere. If you use an oven, turn it on at 180 degrees Celsius. Now, I pour the flour into the sieve and add the baking powder to it. I sieve 3 to 4 times. Now let's go to quinces and peel them. Then chop them very thin. I put a pot filled with water on the gas flame. When the water boils, I put the chopped quinces in it and let them cook for 1/4. Pour the lemon juice into a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix them together. Now I add the cooked quinces to the mixture and stir it. Set this mixture aside. Well, now I break the eggs in a bowl. Now I add sugar and vanilla to it. Then I mix the ingredients well with the mixer. Stir the ingredients together until the mixture is thick and elastic. Now I add milk and oil to it and mix them together. Now I add the flour and baking powder to the mixture in several steps and mix it with a spatula. Now I add cinnamon powder to the ingredients and mix well. Now mix the ingredients with the mixer for 1 minute until all the flour is completely dissolved in the mixture. I lubricate the bottom and walls of the pot a little. Then I sprinkle a little flour. Now I pour half of the cake mixture into the pot. I put the quinces on the cake mixture. And now I put the rest of the cake mixture. In the end, I decorate the cake with quinces. I close the lid and let it cook for 45 to 50 minutes. Well, our cake is ready. I take it out of the mold and cut it. It's perfect. This cake has a wonderful taste and smell. Hope you bake this cake and enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Hope to see you again.